Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how we can launch or host a Django application or a website on shared hosting or from CPanel. So if you have came to this video, then I'm pretty much sure that you have some knowledge of Django. So Django is basically a Python framework with the help of which we create websites. Now, if you just have the Django projects files, then also this video will be very much helpful to you. You don't have to be expert in Django. You just follow this video and you will be able to host a Django websites in your shared hosting. So first of all, we'll discuss which web hosting we should use because most of the shared hosting does not allow you to host Python web applications. So in this video, I will let you know which web hosting is the best and which one I am using. And next, we will proceed with the step-by-step process to host the Django website in shared hosting. So first of all, the web hosting. Now, I personally use ChemiCloud web hosting. So just open a new tab and type keyblogging.com slash ChemiCloud. So don't be worry. I will put this link in the description and it will take to this page. And here you will go to service and click on shared hosting. Now here a lot of plans are there. So if you want to purchase the hosting for 3 years, then definitely the price will be less. So you can go with the starter or you can go with the pro. It's up to your choice. Now, what are the benefits of having web hosting from ChemiCloud? The first thing is that it allows you to host Python web applications, let it be Django or let it be Flask or any web application you want to host which is written in Python, ChemiCloud will support it. Second benefit is that you will get a free domain. So this domain will be completely free as long as you are using their hosting. Now the third benefit is that it's giving free SSL, and the fourth benefit, and that is the most important, it is giving you 45 days of money back guarantee. It means down the line, if you don't like their services or for some reason you are decommissioning your website, then within 40 days you have to request for a refund and they will be very much happy to refund it to you. Now, ordering process is pretty much very easy. You just have to click on any of the starter package and you will be landed to this page. Here you will have to register a new domain, or if you already have a domain from Namecheap or let it be GoDaddy, then also you can type it from here. So let me do it for a register of a new domain name. So let me type something random, that is Django on cpanel.com, and let me check if this domain is available. So it is available. It's showing $13, but don't worry, it will be completely free. Now you just have to click on add to cart and click on continue. Here the billing cycle is showing 1 month, but you click it on 36 month because the price will be way less than the 24 months and the 12 months. Now here the total due, you can see it is $107. So for 3 years you are getting hosting as well as the domain in just $107. So next you have to click on continue. Few more options are there here. Add domain privacy. If you don't want, just uncheck it. Here also you can just uncheck it and then click on continue. Now you will be able to see the total amount here. I guess it is showing a little bit more here because I have few hosting services that I had was on cart. So I will just delete those items and we will be back to the amount that is $107 that we just saw few minutes back. Now here you can click on checkout, but before that click on read an agreement and then click on checkout, and now you will have to complete the payment process. So once the payment process is completed, you will be able to log in to the ChemiCloud console. I already have the domain name with me, so I will just cancel it. And what I will do, I will just log in to the console here, that is chemicloud.com, and I'll go to my account. You'll have to click on services, and from the services you'll have to select the manage product, and then you'll have to go to CPanel. So CPanel is the console where we will do most of the stuffs. So first thing first, we'll have to create a Python application. So go a little bit down under software section, you will find setup Python app. So just click on it. I already have a Python application, but let's create one. Click on create application. Now Python version, I always recommend to go with the latest version. Here in this case, I will go with 3.8.6. You can also do the same. And application root here. So this is basically the folder in which all of your Django files will be staying. And I will just name it as Django on cPanel. Now you will have to give an application URL. So this is nothing but the domain name that you have purchased. So I will host it on a subdomain that I have created. But if you want to host it on your main domain, then you'll have to select the required domain name here. Now application startup file, just type passenger underscore wsgi dot py. So I think there is a spelling mistake here, passenger. So just type it. This file will be created when we click create here, but just type this correctly. Now application entry point, just type it application. Now that's all. And here you will have to click on create. Now the successfully creation of the Python application has been done. Now what we will do, we will keep this tab open. We will create a duplicate tab, and from there we will go to the home page of cPanel. So in left hand side you can see these boxes. Just click on that and go to file manager. You will find it under file section. So in file manager we will upload all of our Django files. So now you can see a folder name called Django on cPanel has been created here. So just click on this, and you can see here passenger underscore wsgi file was created. Now what we'll have to do, we'll have to upload all of our Django files. So click on upload, select a file. Now this is the path where my Django folder, my Django files are there. So you will have to zip it. Now I have already tested this in my local system. So if you have already tested, then fine, just zip it and upload it. Now once it is uploaded, go back to the folder by clicking it here. You can see here it is a zip folder, so we'll have to extract it. Now right click on this and you will find an option called extract. Click on this and extract files. Now extraction is completed, but you will see another folder with the same name. What you will have to do is that you will have to go inside it. You will have to select all and move this folder to your parent folder, that is Django on cPanel. Click on move file. Once it is moved, go back to the folder, and here you will be able to see all the files are there. Now make sure that the passenger underscore wsgi file and the manage.py file should reside in the same folder. What we will have to do here is that you will have to open the file, the passenger underscore wsgi file. Just click on it. On top, click on edit, and here we'll have to do some modifications. Now whatever is there on the below two, okay, just I want you to hash it out. It means just type hash in front of them, and under this line type from Django project.wsgi import applications. Now in your case you will have to give the name of your project name here. So this is nothing but the folder name that you will find it in your CPanel. So for me, Django project is my project name. So I just have given it here. So in your case, just find out what is your project folder name and just type it here. Now, if you want to identify which one is this, now click on the folder and see if you have a settings.py file. So whichever folder has the settings.py, just mention that in this particular file. Now you'll have to save the changes. So nothing has to be done from this file here. You can close it. Now you will have to go back to the Python applications that you have created here. Okay. Now go down, and what you have to do, under the configuration file in this box, you'll have to type requirements.txt. So requirement.txt holds all the libraries that you need to run the Python application or the Django applications. Make sure that this particular file should also remains in your parent folder. In this case, I have requirement.txt. Now go back to the Python applications. Once you type the name here, click on add, and now run pip install. Just click on it and select the file name. Once you select it, automatically all the modules will be installed in the backend. So you'll just have to wait for a couple of minutes here. As you can see, the installation process is completed. The last thing that you have to do is go top and you just have to restart it. So once you restart it, now let's go back to the web applications, and here you will be able to see the URL or the domain name that you have. Just click on it and let's see if this application is working or not. So here we go, it's already working. Now this particular application is basically for downloading videos from YouTube. So let me just put one URL here. Let me take this, I will click on download, and it should show me the lot of informations here along with the download option. Just click on the download option, and I think it has some problem, but not problem with the Django applications. It's basically the problem with the link that is being pulled out. So that's the process to host a Django application or Django websites on a shared hosting. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, put your question in the comment section, and I hope you have learned something today. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification from my channel.